Hey guys, it's Rob, all things wood heat and maple. Starting to get a good run out here in Connecticut, late season. It's March 5th. I want you guys to check something out. We had a run about a week ago. I emptied the pails. They've been sitting out. We got a run last night. If you're using buckets, here's what you got to look out for. If you look in here, if you look in this corner, that's a little bit of slime accumulating. What you're going to find in your white buckets, you'll see this in the aluminum spun buckets as well. I don't know about the galvanized buckets because I don't use those. You've got a warm period that goes on for a little while. Run your finger in an empty bucket, see what the bottom feels like, and if you feel or see slime, what I get over here is a pinkish hue, a red colored algae or whatever it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to haul all my sap this morning. I've only got a couple more buckets. I'm only doing 40 this year. And I'm going to come in with a little bleach and water solution. I'll put a link to, I think it's the Maine University's Maple. They have suggestions on the ratios. Bleach and water, very effective. Give them a quick brush out. Then I give them a rinse and you're good to go. If you do not do this, that algae or whatever it is, bacteria, the slime, that's going to increase. And when you get to your boil, you're going to find that a couple of things could happen. One, you're going to get a darker syrup. You're going to get less sugar to work with because that bacteria is munching out on sugar. You're also potentially have the situation where you get slime. As you're boiling, you're going to get stringiness. It's snotty is what it looks like. It's almost like a mucus. So you got to be careful about that. Bleach and water, the right percentages. You're not going to hurt your sap or syrup. And as long as you give them a good wipe out, maybe a quick rinse, you'll be good to go. It's what food service uses, bleach and water. It's what the University of Maine recommends. It's also what I think the Proctor Maple Research Center in Vermont recommends as well. So there you go.